Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to achieve this simple and easy hairstyle. If you want to know how Beautiful got from here to here, stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Beautiful Beauty. Welcome to my YouTube channel. New videos every week. Subscribe!
So today is content day for Beautiful, and one of our go-to hairstyles are finger curls. Finger curling defines her natural hair and also trains it back into shape. Curly hair thrives in water. You want to start by damping the hair, but not too much because you don't want the water to weigh the hair down. As you can see, she is using Shea Moisture's Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. Apply a generous amount and distribute it evenly throughout the hair. Leave-In conditioner is a light product that is good for controlling frizziness, moisturizing dry hair, and detangling. Now I'm going to oil B's scalp with Binta Beauty's Herbal Hair Growth Serum. Let me tell you that this serum is the truth. As you can see, Beautiful has thin hair, which means that it breaks very easily. Since I started using this product, I've noticed that her hair is less brittle and grows so much more healthier. Apply this serum directly to the scalp and gently massage it in. Coconut oil is our go-to for everything. It softens, hydrates, and strengthens the hair, which ultimately heals damaged hair. The oil also leaves the hair looking shiny and healthy. Now I'm using Shea Moisture's Strong Hold Styling Gel. This is a light, water-based gel that helps hold curls and prevents frizziness. As I start to style, I'm going to put a portion of the hair up just to get it out of the way. I take small strands of hair, wrap it around my finger, then gently unravel the hair from my finger. Repeat this process until the hair is complete. And there you have it, guys. Beautiful is picture perfect and ready to start her content day. Let us know if you want to see more videos like this.
Thank you for watching.